What could Solana Sol be worth if its market cap reached that of Bitcoin? Welcome back to the channel. As we are approaching a crypto surge into the new year, here is a project you want to keep your eyes fixed on. Solana, an innovative and fast blockchain, is often seen as the main competitor to Ethereum. But what would happen to its value if it reached the market cap of Bitcoin? Let's look at the numbers and implications in this article. Solana versus Bitcoin. What would happen to the value of Sol if its market cap matched that of the crypto leader? Factors that could influence the Solana scenario. The potential of Solana for the future of cryptocurrencies. Solana versus Bitcoin. What would happen to the value of Sol if its market cap matched that of the crypto leader? Solana is not just another cryptocurrency, it is one of the most advanced and rapidly growing blockchain ecosystems in the sector. Launched in 2020, it was designed to solve the main problems of Ethereum and other legacy blockchains, offering greater speeds and lower operating costs. Thanks to its innovative technology, Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second, making it one of the most high-performing blockchains. The developers of Solana use a unique system known as Proof of History (POH), which enhances scalability without compromising security. This combination of efficiency and innovation has attracted a wide range of projects, decentralized applications, dApp, and DeFi platforms. However, the real question is, what value could the Sol token reach with a level of adoption similar to that of Bitcoin? To understand the implications of a market capitalization update for Solana, it is important to consider the current data for both projects. At the moment, Bitcoin holds a market capitalization significant, usually in the range of $1 trillion, which firmly makes it the market leader. Solana, on the other hand, has a significantly lower market capitalization, which varies but generally hovers between $10 and $20 billion. If Solana were to reach the same market capitalization as Bitcoin, this would represent an exponential increase compared to its current market size. This type of growth would not only dramatically raise the value of Sol, but could also redefine the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, factors that could influence the Solana scenario. Currently, the value of a cryptocurrency is closely tied to its market capitalization, which is calculated by multiplying the price of a single token by the total number of tokens in circulation. Solana has a circulating supply of about 411 million Sol tokens. Using the current numbers of Bitcoin, let's assume a market capitalization of about $1 trillion. Dividing this figure by the circulating supply of Sol, the theoretical price of the token would be around $2,430 per token. Using the current numbers of Bitcoin, let's assume a market capitalization of about $1 trillion. Dividing this figure by the circulating supply of Sol, the theoretical price of the token would be around $2,430 per token. This would represent an increase of over 60 times compared to the current price of Sol, which hovers between $248 and $269. It should be emphasized that this calculation is purely theoretical and does not take into account a series of variables that could influence such values, such as the inflation of the number of tokens, changes in market demand, and adoption by institutional investors. Although the hypothesis of a market capitalization of Solana equivalent to that of Bitcoin seems impressive, several factors must be taken into consideration. 1. Adoption and usage. Solana should continue to expand its user base and dApps to compete with larger ecosystems, like Ethereum, and consolidate its position in the global markets. 2. Emerging competitors. The blockchain sector is highly competitive. New projects with innovative technologies could limit the growth of Solana. 3. Regulation. Like all cryptocurrencies, Solana is also subject to potential regulatory impacts, which could slow its growth. 4. Cryptocurrency market cycle. Cryptocurrencies follow often volatile market cycles. Solana's ability to reach such a high market capitalization will depend on the global economic context and market sentiment. The potential of Solana for the future of cryptocurrencies. The idea of Solana matching Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization is not just a fantasy, but a reflection of the latent potential of this blockchain elite. If Solana manages to maintain its innovative momentum and capture an even larger share of the global cryptocurrency market, its value could indeed grow significantly. However, it is important to remember that cryptocurrencies are highly speculative and risky investments. Although the numbers may seem enticing, there are many variables that can influence the future trajectory of Solana. In other words, the idea that the price of Sol could reach thousands of dollars with a market capitalization of 1 trillion is intriguing and reflects the enormous potential of emerging cryptovaluta. However, reaching these levels would require years of adoption, innovation, and probably a change in the infrastructure of global digital currencies. For investors and enthusiasts of the sector, Solana represents an interesting opportunity, but it is essential to closely monitor the developments of the project and the broader market trends. As always, it is essential to diversify investments and consider the risks before making any decisions. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Disclaimer: the views, thoughts, and opinions expressed in this video belong solely to the author and should not be taken as investment advice. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. This content do not reflect Crypto's opinion. Crypto is not responsible for any financial losses. Hit that notification bell. Reply forward ad reaction.